I'm so hungry right now and I have an idea of what I want to eat. Buldak ramen. I recently tried Buldak ramen for the first time on my channel, and after trying Buldak ramen, the only thing I was thinking about is I just want more and I want to test the other flavors. Today I am so hungry. This is not a joke. I am seriously so hungry. I cannot function. I need to eat. I have the choice between the cheese, the regular one, and the too hot spicy. I feel like I want to go with something chill and not like too spicy because I really want to enjoy my lunch. I just want to be chill and enjoy what I'm eating. So I'm gonna go with the cheese. And to be honest, I'm really excited to eat because like I said, I'm so hungry. This is not funny. I feel like today's gonna be more like a chill video because I can't really function right now because of how hungry I am. I don't really have any expectation for this one, except I hope it's actually cheesy. Like it tastes like cheese and like really tasty cheese, because sometimes the cheese tastes a little bit like too chemical. It doesn't taste like cheese. So I have a little bit of expectation of it tasting like cheese, you know? I'm glad that this time I have a big bowl because I'm so hungry and I hope that this is going to fill me. Inside we have the 2 packets. We have the noodle. This is the cheese packet. This is the hot sauce. Okay, now it's time to add the sauces. I'm gonna add the cheese first. Ooh! Now it's time to add the sauce. Now it's time to mix. I'm a little bit shocked that this is the amount that we get. I don't know if you can see inside this cup. I feel like the other cup, like the smaller one, has more. I don't know why, but look at the size of the cup and look like the quantity of it. I feel like, I don't know, I was expecting more noodles. Alright, so the noodles are ready. Don't want to waste any time. I'm going to eat. I have to say that I was expecting it to be creamy because the first one that I tried is the carbonara and it was definitely creamy. This one also was expecting it to have more noodles because it's the big cup, but I don't know, I feel like I could literally put all of this in my mouth and finish it. The black part is the seaweed, and I feel like there's also like sesame seeds. This one, they said to drain all the water. I always feel like it was a little bit too dry, so I added a little bit more water. 잘 먹겠습니다. I don't feel like this is cheesy. I don't feel the cheese at all. This is so sad. I was expecting it to feel like it's cheesy. I just taste the spicy. Like I just taste the spicy. That's the only thing I taste. I don't taste the cheese at all. It's like I'm just eating noodles that are just orange. I definitely can't taste the cheese. Like I can't taste the cheese. I cannot taste it. The noodles are really good, and the texture, but it doesn't taste like cheese. It does not taste like cheese. That's so sad because I love cheese. You have cheese on the box. Maybe cheese tastes different in Korea. I don't know, but this doesn't taste like cheese. I'm only eating spicy noodles, not cheese spicy noodles. And especially I'm so hungry and I was expecting it to be so good, like creamy like the carbonara one, but it's not good. It's edible. I'm hungry and this doesn't feel like this has like a taste of anything. You just feel the texture of the noodle and the spiciness, but I don't feel like it's cheesy or anything else. I don't taste the seaweed. I don't taste the sesame seeds. I taste nothing in particular that makes me feel like I'm gonna go for this one whenever I'm hungry. I'm definitely disappointed, to be completely honest with you. I was expecting it to be so good, to comfort me and to make me feel better, but like you can feel in the tone of my voice the disappointment. Like I'm not gonna go there and pretend like this so good. But if I had to choose this one and the carbonara one, the carbonara all the way. Carbonara is so creamy, it has taste, but this one, I'm just tasting the spicy. Like I'm saying it again. I have no energy right now to be mad or to be excited. I was too excited for this one. I thought I was going to be fulfilled with my lunch, but this is not the case. It definitely is spicy for the people who can handle any type of spicy. I'm almost done, but I'm not satisfied. I am so disappointed. I'm still like hungry. I'm not happy. Last bite. I just finished eating the cheese flavor buldak ramen. You saw my reactions. You can see that my lips are definitely orange. I have a lot to say about this one. First thing first, I got the big cup because like I said at the beginning of the video, I was so hungry and I was expecting to eat something as good as the first buldak ramen that I ate, which is the carbonara one. Yes, it is definitely spicy. Was it really painfully spicy? I feel like it was definitely spicier than the carbonara one for some reason. I think that's because this is like the big cup and the sauce was bigger. For the spice level, I would say definitely an 8, even if I have a high pain tolerance. Really spicy. Now let's talk about the taste. I'm a very expressive person, as you know. You can read my face. I am disappointed. I'm gonna say it. I am so disappointed in this flavor because the first one that I tried was the carbonara one. Like I said, it was creamy, it had taste, I really liked the feeling, it was really comforting. Now let's talk about the cheese part. Where's the cheese? Where is the cheese? It says cheese here. Can you read? Where is the cheese? I don't know, it's not in there. I can tell you. This is not like any shade to the brand Samyang. I'm just talking about my preferences and how I feel about this taste. And I'm being calm, okay? Because I'm so disappointed and I'm still so hungry. I didn't taste any cheese. I didn't feel like any special taste. It just felt like I was eating noodles. The noodles itself is so good. The rating for the taste for this one, you probably feel like I'm so mean, but I didn't taste anything. It has no taste. It just tasted spicy, which was not enjoyable like the carbonara one. Maybe I'm being too mean because I'm so hungry and I was expecting like a full experience, but for me, for the taste for this one, I would put like a 0, but maybe putting a 0 is too mean, so a 1 out of 10 to be honest. And would I recommend the cheese to my friends? Absolutely not. Recommend this to my friend if they want something just spicy and not like have any taste. So I would say a 3 out of 10 would recommend this flavor to my friend. Please let me know if you have tried the cheese flavor and let me know, please, like I'm being serious right now. Let me know if you actually feel the cheese. When I say cheese, I know that this is chemical, okay? I'm not dumb. I just feel like I thought that I would taste a little bit of something, you know? If you try the cheese flavor, please let me know if you liked it, if you felt the cheese, what is the whole experience about it. Until now, my favorite is definitely the carbonara one. I still have 2 other flavors to try. Comment which one I should try in the next video. I'm gonna go and actually eat something that would make me feel good, and I see you in this video where I eat carbonara one because I am definitely more joyful than this one. I hope you learned something about this flavor and I hope that you come back for more content on my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.